Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're checking out the Ninja French Door Premier Air Fryer, Convection Oven, and Toaster. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a 10-in-1 powerhouse with a sleek, space-saving design. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Ninja French Door Premier is not your average countertop oven. It features a 5-quart air fry basket, which can handle up to 5 pounds of French fries, enough to cook family-sized portions with ease. This multifunctional device promises to replace multiple kitchen appliances, offering air fry, air roast, whole roast, bake, pizza, broil, reheat, dehydrate, toast, and bagel settings, all in one. If you're someone who values efficiency in the kitchen, this could be a game changer. The oven claims to cook up to 60% faster than conventional ovens thanks to its quick 90-second preheat feature, saving you time when you're in a hurry. Additionally, with its 450 degrees far cyclonic air technology, it promises even fast cooking without the need for rotating your food, ideal for baked goods or a whole roast. But let's not forget the real kicker. This oven is designed to fry foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making it a healthier option for those who crave crispy foods without the extra oil. The oven's French door design allows for a more convenient one-handed pull, which is a nice touch for anyone tired of struggling with heavy oven doors. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I put this Ninja oven to the test by using it for a variety of tasks. First, I cooked a whole chicken using the whole roast setting. It came out crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with no need to flip or rotate the chicken. It cooked evenly, thanks to the cyclonic air technology, and the process was surprisingly fast. The pizza setting also worked wonders, giving me a perfectly crispy crust in just a few minutes. For air frying, I tried French fries, and they came out golden brown with a satisfying crunch, all with very little oil. However, I did notice that the oven could get a little hot on the outside, which might be something to keep in mind if you have young kids around. Another point, while the oven itself is easy to use, it can take a bit of time to get familiar with all the functions, especially since it's such a versatile appliance. So, what are the pros and cons? Let's start with the good stuff. The Ninja French Door Premier offers a ton of versatility. 10 cooking functions in one appliance is impressive, especially when you're saving space in your kitchen. The performance is solid too, especially in terms of speed and heat retention. 60% more heat retention compared to other French door ovens really does make a difference. And if you're a fan of healthier cooking, the ability to air fry with up to 75% less fat is a major selling point. The one-handed door operation is a thoughtful design feature that adds convenience and ease. However, on the flip side, this oven isn't perfect. While it's compact, it's still on the larger side for a countertop appliance. It's not the kind of oven you can easily tuck away when not in use, so you'll want to make sure you have the space for it. Also, while the oven performs well, it can get quite hot on the exterior, which could be an issue for those with limited counter space or homes with small children. Lastly, while the functions are vast, the learning curve can be a bit steep. If you're used to simpler appliances, you may find yourself going through the manual a few times. As for the value, let's break it down. The Ninja French Door Premier packs in a lot of features for its price. When compared to similar multifunction ovens, the price is competitive, especially considering the 10-in-1 versatility. Alternatives like the Broil Smart Oven Air or the Emerald French Door Air Fryer are priced similarly, but the Ninja model offers better heat retention and faster cooking times. If you're after an appliance that does it all, air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, you're getting good value for the money. However, if you're only looking for a basic air fryer or toaster oven, you might want to consider if you really need all the additional functions. When comparing this to other alternatives on the market, the Ninja French Door Premier has a few distinct advantages. For one, the cyclonic air technology is a feature that sets it apart from other models in its price range. It also cooks faster and retains heat more efficiently than similar models, like the Emerald FAFO 001, which means quicker meals and better energy efficiency. But if you're not looking for all the bells and whistles, some competing models may be more compact or better suited for a smaller kitchen. So if you're primarily after an air fryer or toaster oven, there might be a more affordable alternative out there. In terms of build quality, the Ninja French Door Premier feels sturdy and well built. The materials used are high quality, and the design feels robust enough to withstand regular use. It's clear that Ninja has put thought into making this appliance as durable as possible, which is important if you're going to be using it daily. However, it's still relatively new, so long-term reliability is something to keep in mind. Based on the reputation of the Ninja brand, I expect this oven to last, but time will tell if there are any common issues that arise over extended use. When it comes to customer support, Ninja has a solid reputation for responding quickly to inquiries. I've seen positive feedback from other customers who have used their support service, and their online resources, including troubleshooting guides and FAQs, are fairly comprehensive. If you run into any issues, you should have no trouble getting help. Now, as we wrap things up, what's the final verdict? The Ninja French Door Premier is an impressive kitchen tool that offers a lot of value for its price. It performs exceptionally well in most areas, especially when it comes to speed, versatility, and healthy cooking. Its large size and learning curve might be drawbacks for some, but if you're looking for a multifunctional oven that can do it all, this is a solid option. It's especially great for busy families or anyone who loves cooking but wants to save time and energy. Ultimately, the Ninja French Door Premier delivers on its promises, making it a worthwhile investment for those who want an all-in-one appliance that can handle nearly every cooking task. Thanks for watching! If you've got any questions about this product or want to share your own experiences, leave a comment below. The link to check it out can be found in the comments box. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always a little something extra inside Reviews Inside TV.